Everyone and welcome to another lecture of Pallu 80s. My name is Vanshika Mehta and you are watching Pallu 80s. In this video we are going to complete some basic concepts of pressure and the pressure exerted by liquids and gases. So let's begin. So what is pressure? So basically the effectiveness of force applied in a unit area is known as pressure. For example, if you take a pin and its two sides, a blunt side and a pierced side, the pierced side will pierce in it the unit of area, but the blunt side not. Therefore, the pressure of the pierced side is greater than that of the blunt side. Now let us learn about the different type of pressure. Pressure are exerted in three forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Let us talk about pressure exerted by liquids and gases. So basically, let us first talk about gases. Basically, the molecules of gases are in random motion, and therefore, whenever the particles of gases or molecules of gases collide, they produce a pressure on the walls. For example, when you inflate a balloon, the pressure is applied on the thick walls, due to which the balloon flows up and gets inflated. Now, there is a thing called atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? So basically, atmospheric pressure is the force or the weight of the air that opposes the force of the weight of air in a unit area which opposes the surface is known as atmospheric pressure. So basically, atmospheric pressure is a weight of the air that is opposing from a surface. Now there is an instrument called barometer which is used to measure atmospheric pressure. What is the definition of atmosphere? It's a very easy question. The air or the envelope surrounding our planet is known as atmosphere. And the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is known as? Yes, you are correct. The atmospheric pressure. Now, atmosphere is measured in the terms of the unit ATM, which is approximately equal to 101 into 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 pascals. Pascal is a unit of pressure. We get this unit when we divide the unit Newton by meter square. Basically, by dividing the unit of force and area of contact, we get the unit of pressure. Now let's talk about the pressure which is exerted by liquid. The pressure which are exerted by liquid can be broken into 5 major points: the density of the liquid, the area of the liquid, the depth of the liquid, and other 2 major points. So basically, if the density of the liquid is greater, it will exert more pressure. If the depth of the liquid is greater, it will exert more pressure. You have seen that in a bottle, more pressure is exerted at the bottom rather than at the top. This happens because at the bottom, the depth is greater. The same formula applies in seas and rivers as well. As you go down, the pressure increases. There are various applications of this. For example, the submarines is made up of thick walls to sustain pressure in seas and rivers. Also, there are some other factors that affect the liquid pressure. For example, liquid exerts pressure from all directions equally. However, if you increase the depth or the height of the direction. So that was about today's lecture. Like and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel for Low 80. Thank you and have a nice day.